A Cygnus Cargo spacecraft arrived at the ISS International Space Station today, November 14, to deliver food, supplies and some fascinating scientific experiments to the astronauts of Expedition 53. Orbital ATK, a private space flight contracted by NASA to carry cargo to the islands, named the spacecraft Cygnus the SS Gene Cernan in honor of the late NASA astronaut and the last person to walk on the Moon. After launching from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility on Wallops Island, Virginia, on an Antares rocket on Sunday, November 12, Cygnus spent about 45 hours reaching the ISS, which orbits about 400 kilometers above Earth at a speed of about 17,500 mph, 28,000 kilometers. This was the shortest amount of time that a Cygnus spacecraft had flown to the ISS from takeoff to the appointment, Frank DeMauro, Vice President and General Manager of the Advanced Programs Division of ATK Orbital, said at a press conference at Wallops Flight Facility on Saturday. 11. Using Canadarm2, a 58-foot robotic arm outside the ISS, the astronaut of the European Space Agency Paolo Nespoli and NASA astronaut Randy Bresnik clashed with the cargo ship Cygnus at 5:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time 1004 GMT. 14 minutes behind the original NASA estimate of 4:50 a.m. More than 7,700 pounds (3,500 kilograms) of cargo launched to the ISS, including approximately 1,900 pounds (860 kilograms) of scientific experiments and demonstrations of new technologies. The ship also brought some treats for the crew of Expedition 53, including their Thanksgiving dinner and gifts from the families of the astronauts, representatives of ATK Orbital said at a post-launch press conference. Among the scientific investigations that mounted a Cygnus, was a CubeSat full of E. coli, which researchers will use to study antibiotic resistance. Another type of bacteria, called Staphylococcus aureus, was sent to the ISS so that medical researchers could investigate new drugs and therapies for a variety of skin infections ranging from acne to antibiotic-resistant staphylococcal infections. Other live cargoes aboard the Cygnus include mealworms and microcell seeds, which researchers will observe to learn more about how microgravity affects the different facets of life on Earth. A technology demonstration will use two CubeSats to test a new communication system based on laser, space ground and teamwork techniques for satellites to meet and work together while in orbit.